architecturally designed masterpiece spread over an amazing land size. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello property, and it's an absolute privilege today to show you through this one-of-a-kind duplex here in an ideal location in West Ryde. Let's go take a look. Not only has this property been expertly crafted throughout with amazing fixtures and finishes, but it's also the floor plan and the design on offer that will particularly take your breath away. The floor plan on offer features natural abundance of light throughout all living areas, as well as extra high 4-metre ceilings, which is particularly striking. This extremely rare offering is spread over an amazing land size of 450 metres squared and only walking distance to both West Ryde Station and Meadowbank Station, offering the perfect location for the growing family. If you have any further questions, make sure you give us a call and we're more than happy to help. Otherwise, we look forward to helping you at our next open home.